This is Morgan's World. We're back from our small break, and we're ready to bring you guys some more adventures. We've got River, Haley, myself, and Abel. And in this episode, we're going on a winter camping trip, and at the end, we have our gender reveal for our new baby that'll be due next June. Stay tuned, enjoy the videos, and if you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe.
Hey everybody, I got a new truck. It's pretty sick. It's a Toyota Tacoma 2021. Can't believe I did it. We've always driven shit boxes and stuff like that, but we did it. We got a new truck, and so we're heading over to the snow to go camping. Let's do some winter family camping, and we'll give you the new truck tour if you stay tuned. I can't believe I got this thing. It's ridiculous. It's so awesome. It smells like a new truck. Let's get loaded up, get to the cabin, and we'll see you there. You like the new truck, honey?
I do. It drives very nice. Do you like the truck? A truck. We are headed to Rocky Point. I'm excited. We're gonna go have a little family night over there. We haven't gotten away from the house, and I don't even know how long. So we're gonna go have some good food, play some games, and have some fun. I'm excited.
What's up, bud? Hey, you ready to go camping? We made it. It's like 6:30 and dark out, so this is what we got here too. The truck drove nice. 2 people wrecked on the highway in the ice.
1 person.
And this is it. We got a little snow on the ground. Like what, Abel? You think like 3 inches, 4 inches?
Yeah, I'm gonna build
There's
a
like
snowman.
4 inches there. Whew, it's chilly. 30 degrees.
Abel, hang on a minute.
And
Really,
anyway.
Can I please? Can we?
Oh, honey.
Good job.
He's a good boy. No more.
No more.
Riv, no more.
You're next so fired anymore, okay? You want me to talk to my mom?
Wait a minute. So this message is, yeah, it says Rudolph's little elf. It says, Merry Christmas, Abel. Merry Christmas, River. You've been such good boys this year. There's presents for you here. Under the power lines, above the travel trailers, you'll see 2 or 3 presents for you or for he, River. You gotta talk to your mom. They might be wrapped in blue. Get looking now before the bear gets it, before you. Dude, what does that mean?
I don't know.
Dude, where's the power lines?
Oh, they're right there.
Where?
I see you looking at them.
Oh, up there?
Yeah,
Oh.
right?
So it said under the power lines above the trailers you'll see.
Come on, let's follow Dad.
Let's go. Let's go see what's going on. The present's wrapped in blue. So above the trailers, under the power. What? What is it? What is that?
That's to Abel.
To Abel? What?
Oh,
It's yours, dude. Take it before he comes back. What is that?
Oh, it's a.
What is that? It's cool looking. Green and blue. Whoa, it's a snowsuit, dude.
Snowsuit.
That's a sick ass snowsuit.
Wow.
Heck yeah.
Is there
Let's clean up the
anything else?
trash.
All right.
We'll burn it in the fire.
Is there anything else?
I don't know. Let's keep going. Follow these elf footprints. Those weren't here. No, here. Look. Follow them. Hey,
Whoa. What?
what is this?
Turn it over. No, flip it over.
Who's that one for?
Oh, no. Hey, those are for River.
River, look.
Oh, that's
Look
for
what you got. You got shoes. Good job, buddy. Good job. Fire feels nice. Oh, good job.
You're done.
Put it like that and it'll melt it.
Are you going inside?
You can see about 30 minutes later, we got nothing but water. No ice left. Let's go show Abel. You gotta try it. We made it. All right, ready?
Oh.
It's like smoky water.
Just swallow. Quick.
I like it. Here, Riv. Riv, you want some? Mmm.
I'm not listening to that.
Anyways, Abel, if you need to survive, like if you're dying in the woods, that's how you make water to drink so you don't die. Okay?
Right.
We did it. What do you think of that snowsuit you got from Santa?
It's awesome.
Or Santa's elf, I guess.
Oh, the reindeer.
Yeah. What is it, like 5 in the morning? Early. It's before this. We woke up before the sun did. It's slick out there. We gotta be careful when we go hunting.
Why?
We're making some morning coffee, and then Abel and I are gonna go try and call in a coyote. We don't know how that'll go, but I'm hoping it goes well. You ready, Abel? All right. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go coyote hunting. We're on a little piece of national forest land right up against private property, and there's a field here. I think we're gonna try and give it a call. See what happens.
It's early. We're going coyote season, and it's going to be the best. And guys, we're going to the coyote last night, and wait a minute, what's that white thing there?
I don't know. That's private over there. This is public though.
What are you asking?
Alright guys, let's go load up the gun and start calling. Give it 15 minutes here, then we'll go to the next spot. I might...
No.
Shh. I don't know how far away it is, guys, but we got a coyote howling back to us. Shh, shh. Hurry. There's definitely a coyote howling out there.
There he is. That's him. Alright guys, so we just did like a 12-minute set here. There's a coyote howling like crazy other side of the field, but he's not coming in, so we'll probably go move, see if we can get closer to him. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's go get our stuff. Yeah, so maybe it's time to start talking about the truck a little bit. We're trying to get closer to this coyote. Abel's keeping his eye out. But 2021 Tacoma, cement gray color. It's a 4-door double cab, plenty of room. You know, when you got 3 kids, it's still a little tight, but it's pretty nice. It's automatic. What's pretty cool is you can shift it over and you can actually just bump shift it. So I can go first, second, or if I'm tired of that, go back to automatic. It's got crawl control, so if you get stuck, it'll basically like AI crawl itself out of a hole. Train selector, SOS, you can call if you ever get in a wreck or anything. You can lock the rear differential, lights, you know, all kinds of, there's a roll and pitch indicator. Yeah, Abel can roll his window all the way down, which is sweet.
Look! All the way down, all the way up.
All kinds of fancy stuff. The map, if I had my phone plugged in, you can pull up satellite mapping of everything. Got your direction up there, your temperature 30 degrees outside. Dome lights. There's even a plug in the back because it's got its inverter, a 400 watt 120 volt inverter.
And you could plug in a phone, or you could plug in.
Yeah. So anyway, that's what we got. We'll show you the outside. It's a pretty sick truck. Oh, these coyotes are hard. There we go. Well, 2 stands. They're not real good stands, but no coyotes yet. We did hear one first go around. What do you think, Abel? Should we do another or head to camp? I'm thinking so. If we can do one more, I'd be happy.
Yeah, and then if we see one, if we go one in, we can shoot it and then we can bring it to camp. Right?
Exactly. There's a lot of coyote. Look at all those coyote tracks.
Wow. That's far.
How do we not call one in?
Yeah. That's what we should do.
Haley's awesome.
Okay, no more.
Made me food. Trying out the other new toy.
That's not a toy.
Well, it's not a toy, but it is for a man.
Yeah.
All right, let's go find a dead tree. Abel and I need a dead tree for a fire. Oh, there's a little one.
Where?
This little guy right here.
Oh, yeah.
Here, you want to video me cutting it?
Yep.
All right.
try and get this Milwaukee going.
Wow! That's awesome, Morgan!
Thank you.
Yep.
Here we go.
Timber!
Alright, now cut it into firewood for us. Let's get this sucker cut up into firewood.
Good job!
Thanks.
I like this chainsaw! Wow!
Alright.
Hey, will you guys look in the truck and see if you have shoes in there?
Thank you. Grab that one. Oh no! Put your foot in. Hurry. Put your foot in. Hurry. Hurry. Here we go. Ready for the timber? Well, that's not good. Woo. We gotta pull them tight.
Yeah? Yeah.
Abel, I need your help. This is gonna be our cooking tripod.
What's the tripod do?
We can bring it. We can save it for next time. Okay, now stand it up over the fire.
Yeah. Wow.
Now you gotta get it. Here.
Tripod.
This leg's yours. Hold that one. Oh, gotta go this way.
Whoa.
No, so now we gotta hang something down and melt water. All right, let's fill up this bucket with water. We'll try to keep it high enough to where we don't have to worry about melting it, and try and make some water with it. Oh, I got it. Don't touch that rib. Don't touch that. Okay, so grab a rope. You want mama? Come on, bud. You shouldn't be out here like that. You need clothes on. Come on. Go to mama. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, you don't want to be... He's literally running around naked out here. Alright guys, it's been another awesome day. You got to meet the Rhino, the new truck. And Abel and I are going to start doing dishes and getting cleaned up. We would stay another night, but the dogs need to be fed at home.
I don't have that one like you.
We appreciate you subscribers and you people who watch our baloney. But it's time to go home, and we'll see you on the next one. Once again. Whew. And at least we have a truck that can get us around now. Really? Oh, shoot, I wasn't paying attention. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Wait, hang on. I gotta go back.
Back?
Okay. And then get around the tree so I get the little picture.
Oh, shoot.
Woo! Okay. Okay, sorry. No. Wait, let me
Okay,
get.
when
Okay.
do we fire these off?
Okay, we're gonna count down.
Okay.
Ready?
Uh,
Here we go.
3,
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, you're gonna have a sister. I can't believe
That's
that.
pretty. Aww.
That is pink, right? That's
Yeah,
not a blue.
no, that's
blue.
pink. It's a girl.
Oh, there is one more thing.
Aww.
Marry me, babe.
Aww. We were wrong.
You were wrong? I can't believe we're on a girl. You were so sure it was a boy. Wow.
Congratulations. Yeah. We were wrong.
I hope it's the right size. I have no
You were
idea.
wrong?
Thank you so much for spending your time with us on our little family adventure. We hope to see you on the next one, and we appreciate all of your time. It's been an amazing year. That's all I'm going to say. I know it's been tough for a lot of people, and I hope you're doing all right. But we'll get through this together. Peace.